Hi everyone, welcome to DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Darya. Today I'm going to show you how to make short rows in crocheting fabric. So I prepared two rows of single crochets, and now I will show you how to make short rows. I have 20 single crochets in one row. So usually your pattern will tell you how many single crochets you should have in your short row. Let's say that we'll have 10 single crochets. So I'm making simple single crochets, 10 of them. Okay, I have 10 single crochets in my short row. So right now I need to turn my work and start working this way. But before doing that, I need to make one more stitch. It's gonna be slip stitch. If you don't know how to make slip stitch, I'm showing you right now. So insert your hook to the next single crochet from the previous row. Grab your yarn. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet, and after that take this last loop and pull it through the first loop. Now you have your slip stitch. Then chain 1, turn your work, and after that you need to make 10 more single crochets this way. But the trick is to understand where to insert your hook. I will show you more close. So this is our chain, and this is our slip stitch. We need to insert our hook in the next. So basically it's 1, 2, 3. It's third chain from the hook. I'm turning my work. So I'm not inserting the hook in the chain, not inserting in the slip stitch, but I'm inserting in the next. It is last single crochet in the previous row. And I'm making 10 more single crochets. All right, I have 10 single crochets here. I'm making one more chain, turn my work, and now I need to work this way. And that's gonna be not short row, it's gonna be long row. I'm starting as usual and making 10 single crochets. Okay, I have 10 single crochets here, and you remember that in this hole I made a slip stitch, so I need to use this hole one more time, and I insert my hook there for 11th single crochet, and then I continue to the end of the row, 12th, and so on to the end. Yeah, and now I have my long row. with 20 single crochets, and as you can see, this part is longer than this part. Next row will be normal row. I'm gonna make 20 single crochets. But basically that's it, how you make your short rows, and usually your pattern will tell you how many single crochets you need to make. I just want to tell you that you could use this method not only in simple single crochets, but as well when you insert your hook to the back loop only or to the front loop only. That doesn't matter. So the same principle works for all that stitches. You could use this short row method for shaping necklines, or sometimes there are some patterns that need additional rows, because in one pattern you have these single crochets, and on the next part of the garment you will have lacy pattern, for example, and you need to add some rows in order to have good looking, I don't know how to say. So yeah, that's it. Now you can see how my short rows look like from both sides. I think that they look great. If you have any questions, just let me know in comments down below. Please like my video, please subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.